Namaste everyone. I am Sanju.
I am Sayagata.
I am Krishna.
And our project is based on Visual Learners Toolkit.
And we are from SSVM School of Excellence. Understanding the visual learner. Thrive on sight. They remember what they see. Diagrams, picture and charts are key. Need visual context. Written text alone of lacks the context they need to fully grasp concepts.
The challenge: overcoming traditional learning gaps. For visual learners, conventional teaching methods often pose significant barriers to comprehension and engagement. These helps in auditory overload, dense text barriers, disengagement and frustration.
The introducing the visual learner toolkit. This platform is dedicated comprehensive website tailored specifically to maximize the potential of visual thinkers.
Core toolkit features visual aids gallery, infographics and data lists, videos and animations, interactive activities.
Transformative benefits for students. Enhanced comprehension, latest memory retention, increased motivation.
Empowering educators, a virtual teaching tool, website resource, seamless integration, creation customization.
Measuring success, real impact and other outcomes. The Visual Learners Toolkit is already producing measurable improvements in educational settings. 25% grade improvement, average in test scores reported by pilot, and 8 by 10 teacher satisfaction and 95% confidence boost.
Next tips. Get started today. Explore the toolkit. Start your free trial. Join the movement.
So here we go with our educational website. Thank you to Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 for giving us this amazing opportunity.